Are you a nurse dreaming of a life by the Aegean Sea? Picture yourself waking up to the sound of gentle waves, the sun rising over the horizon, and the fresh sea breeze filling your lungs. This isn't just a vacation fantasy, it could be your everyday reality. Imagine working in a beautiful country with rich history, delicious food, and friendly people. Greece offers a unique blend of ancient traditions and modern living. From the iconic Parthenon to the bustling markets filled with fresh produce and local delicacies, every day is an opportunity to explore and enjoy. Now, imagine yourself as a nurse in Greece, using your skills to make a difference while experiencing a new culture. You'll be working in state-of-the-art hospitals, learning from experienced professionals, and providing care to patients who will appreciate your dedication and expertise. Plus, you'll have the chance to immerse yourself in the rich Greek culture, from learning the language to participating in local festivals and traditions. This dream can be your reality. With determination and the right guidance, you can achieve your goals and build a fulfilling career in Greece. Imagine the sense of accomplishment you'll feel as you reach new milestones and celebrate your successes in a country that values your contributions. With a little effort, you can learn Greek and unlock a world of opportunity in the Greek healthcare system. Language is the key to connecting with your patients and colleagues, and mastering it will open doors to new professional and personal experiences. You'll find that the Greek people are warm and welcoming, eager to help you on your journey. This guide will show you how to learn basic Greek in just a week. We'll cover essential phrases, medical terms, and job hunting tips. Whether you're starting from scratch or brushing up on your skills, our step-by-step approach will make the learning process enjoyable and effective. You'll be speaking Greek confidently in no time. Get ready to take the first step toward an exciting adventure in nursing. Pack your bags, prepare your documents, and set your sights on Greece. The journey may seem daunting, but with the right preparation and mindset, you'll find it to be a rewarding and life-changing experience. Greece welcomes you with open arms. From the moment you arrive, you'll be embraced by the warmth and hospitality of the Greek people. Your new colleagues and friends will be there to support you every step of the way, making your transition smooth and enjoyable. So what are you waiting for? Your Greek adventure awaits. You might wonder, is Greek really necessary for nursing in Greece? The answer is a resounding yes. While some hospitals and clinics in tourist areas may use English, Greek is essential for daily life and effective patient care. Speaking Greek builds trust and rapport with your patients. It allows for clear communication, especially during emergencies. You'll understand their needs better and provide truly compassionate care. Imagine the smiles on their faces when you speak their language. Learning Greek opens doors beyond the hospital. You'll connect with locals, experience the culture authentically, and navigate everyday situations with ease. It's an investment in your career and personal growth. Don't worry, learning basic Greek in a week is achievable. With dedication and the right approach, you can grasp the essentials quickly. The key is to break down your learning into manageable chunks and stay consistent. Start with the Greek alphabet. It looks different, but many letters sound similar to English. Familiarize yourself with each letter, its name, and its sound. Spend time each day practicing writing them out and saying them aloud. Practice writing them and recognizing their sounds. Repetition is crucial here. Use online resources or apps that provide audio examples to ensure you're pronouncing them correctly. Try to associate each letter with a word you already know to make it stick. Day 1 to 2. Focus on greetings like yasu, hello, and efaristo, thank you. These are the building blocks of basic conversation. Practice these greetings with friends or family members to build your confidence. Learn basic phrases like please, parakalo, and excuse me, signomi. These phrases will help you navigate everyday situations. Use flashcards or language learning apps to drill these phrases until they become second nature. Use flashcards or language learning apps for memorization. These tools are great for reinforcing what you've learned and testing your recall. Try to review your flashcards multiple times a day, even if it's just for a few minutes. Day 3 to 4. Dive into medical vocabulary. If you're learning Greek for professional reasons, this step is crucial. Start with the basics and gradually move to more complex terms. Start with body parts like kefali, head, and cardia, heart. Use diagrams and charts to help you visualize and remember these terms. Label parts of your own body in Greek to reinforce your learning. Learn common medical conditions such as ponos, pain, and peretos, fever. Understanding these terms will help you communicate effectively in a medical setting. Practice using them in sentences to get comfortable with their usage. And essential verbs like vazo, I put, and dinete, you give. Verbs are the action words that will help you form complete sentences. Practice conjugating these verbs in different tenses to expand your proficiency. Day 5 to 7. Practice, practice, practice. Consistency is key. Dedicate time each day to review what you've learned. Write sentences, speak out loud, and test yourself regularly. Find a language partner online, use language exchange apps, or record yourself speaking. Engaging with native speakers or fellow learners can provide valuable feedback and boost your confidence. Watch Greek movies or TV shows with subtitles. This will help you get used to the natural flow and rhythm of the language. Pay attention to how words are pronounced and try to mimic the intonation. Immerse yourself in the language as much as possible. Surround yourself with Greek language materials, listen to Greek music, and try to think in Greek. The more you expose yourself to the language, the more natural it will become. Now that you have your basic Greek toolkit, let's focus on phrases specific to nursing. Learn how to ask patients about their pain level. Pou ponaite? Where does it hurt? Practice explaining procedures in simple terms. For example, "Tha sas voitiso na kathiste." I will help you sit down. Remember, clear and concise communication is key. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Patients will appreciate your effort to communicate in their language. Your willingness to learn shows respect and builds a stronger patient-nurse relationship. Section 5. Navigating the Greek job market. Greece offers excellent opportunities for international nurses. Start your job search online. Websites like Indeed Greece, careerjet.gr, and Eures, the European Job Mobility Portal, list nursing vacancies. Networking is crucial. Connect with other nurses in Greece through online forums and social media groups. Attend healthcare conferences or webinars related to Greece. They offer valuable insights and potential job leads. Prepare a tailored CV and cover letter highlighting your skills and experience. Research potential employers, their specializations, and company culture to personalize your application. Section 6. Getting your Greek nursing license. To work as a nurse in Greece, you'll need to obtain a Greek nursing license. This is a crucial step to ensure that you meet the country's standards for healthcare professionals. The process involves submitting your educational qualifications, professional experience, and any relevant certifications. These documents must be translated into Greek and notarized. All these documents need to be submitted to the Greek Ministry of Health. This is the governing body that will review your application and determine your eligibility. Additionally, you'll need to provide a criminal record certificate and a health clearance. These documents ensure that you have a clean legal record and are in good health to perform your duties. The specific requirements may vary depending on your country of origin and your educational background. It's important to gather all necessary documents and double-check the requirements. Therefore, it's crucial to contact the Greek embassy or consulate in your home country for detailed information and guidance. They can provide you with the most accurate and up-to-date information. Don't be discouraged by the paperwork. While it may seem overwhelming at first, breaking it down into smaller tasks can make it more manageable. The process might seem daunting, especially if you're unfamiliar with the bureaucratic procedures. However, many have successfully navigated this path before you. With careful planning and preparation, you can organize your documents and meet all the requirements within the given timelines. You can successfully navigate the bureaucratic hurdles by staying organized and seeking help when needed. Don't hesitate to ask for assistance from colleagues or professional organizations. Ultimately, achieving your goal of working as a nurse in Greece is a rewarding experience. You'll be able to contribute to the healthcare system and enjoy the rich culture and history of Greece. Section 7. The beauty of a Greek nursing career. Working as a nurse in Greece offers a rewarding experience. You'll enjoy a good work-life balance, with ample opportunities to explore the country's beauty and immerse yourself in its vibrant culture. Greece boasts stunning beaches, ancient ruins, delicious cuisine, and warm hospitality. Imagine spending your days off exploring picturesque islands, hiking scenic trails, or enjoying traditional Greek dances. Beyond the idyllic lifestyle, you'll be making a real difference in people's lives. As a nurse, you'll be contributing to the Greek healthcare system and experiencing the deep satisfaction of helping others. Section 8. Take the plunge, your dream job awaits. Learning Greek and pursuing a nursing career in Greece is an attainable dream. Embrace the challenge, approach it with enthusiasm, and you'll be amazed at what you can achieve. Start learning Greek today. Every new word you learn brings you closer to your goal. Research job opportunities, connect with other nurses, and prepare your application documents. Greece awaits you with open arms. Take the leap and embark on a fulfilling and exciting adventure as a nurse in this beautiful Mediterranean country. Section 9. About GK Health Passport. GK Health Passport is your trusted partner in navigating the path to a rewarding nursing career in Greece. We provide comprehensive support, including language learning resources, job search assistance, and guidance on licensing requirements. Our team of experts is dedicated to helping you achieve your dreams. Contact us today, and let us help you turn your aspiration of working as a nurse in Greece into a reality.